Hi friends, today we're going to be Detective Blippi. Let's get started! Wait! We have to get, wait.
So we have our first giveaway that we are going to be doing this year. We're starting out 2021 right. So to be able to win this prize, please follow our Instagram and follow the instructions, all the instructions, and you will be counted in for our giveaway. You will be counted in our contest. Okay, so this is for ages 4 to 7. This is a corrected puzzle to begin to spell. Okay, AJ, you ready to do your Blippi? And also, good luck for the contest. Okay, so AJ, what do you have for Blippi?
I have my camera, my midlight glass, and my bag.
And mommy put in a crayon so you can write with.
And this too. Let's see what's naughty and not go over the food.
So if you have missed our unboxing video of Blippi, go ahead and watch that. And our God is Awesome anniversary celebration. So please be sure to check out our latest 2 videos. So the first one, AJ, let's check it out.
Look, this one is naughty.
Okay, let's go to the first page. Well, that was the first page. We're gonna go page number 2. Okay, find the number 2 on the bottom of the page.
2.
Right here on the bottom.
What?
On the bottom of the page. Look on the bottom. Look over here. You see this is page 4. Let's find page 2. Where's page 2? Right here. Okay, so we are going to be completing that first. So we're going to go in order from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so on. So this right here, it says, find the police officer. So AJ, let's go ahead and put on your detective badge before you begin. Put on your badge before you begin. So we are officially Blippi Detectives.
Trying to.
Okay, AJ got his badge on. And all we need right now is the crayon. Oh, sorry. Okay, so you're gonna start right there. You're gonna find, start right here with the arrow. And you're gonna try to find the police officer. So find a way that you can get right here.
I have an idea. How about when I go round and round to get to the police officer?
Okay, wow, you found that quick. Go ahead, AJ. All right, AJ did it. Okay, you ready? Okay, now what does this say?
Police bag.
Right here. Right.
Crayon.
Your
Pencil.
name. Okay, write your name on a dotted line. Each line you put your letter. So A-T-H-L-E-R-E. Okay, go. Make that line a little bit taller. That look like an N. Make it a little bit taller. Okay, good. L. And try to write above the line. E. Around. Okay. R. There you go. Okay. E. Right, there you go. Okay, there. Okay, now this says find the clues. So you're gonna need your magnifying glass.
Okay. Let me see.
Okay, you're gonna start in order. It has 7 clues because this one it says 7. It has 7 clues. So find number 1 first. What's number 1?
Right here.
What is that?
What's this?
Yeah, what is that?
The footprint.
You find a footprint. Okay, circle it. Okay, now find number 2. It says draw the clues that you found. Okay, so number 1, what did you find? You found these. Okay? So you're gonna draw it right here. Try your best by yourself, okay? Just look at it and try your best. Number 1, right here in the box. Okay, you see how that looks? Okay, draw how it looks. You see it? Draw exactly how you see it. Right here too. You see it? So it has a line going up, up, and up. So come down here, draw a line up. Okay, go back down, up, and up. That's number 1. See? Okay, good. Okay, number 2. What's number 2? So we're gonna do this for all of them. So I have paused it, and I have AJ actually do it. And you can tell which one I help AJ with. Okay, what's that, AJ? Okay, that's one of the prints. Okay. A cat. Okay. That say what? Look at number 3. What did you draw for number 3? A paw print and a...
That's a fire.
Okay, number 4.
I brought this.
A paw print. A print. Okay, animal print. Okay, number 5. What's that?
A glass of water.
Yeah, glass of water. Number 6.
That's just like the
Okay, another animal print. And number 7.
That's a wolf. Oh!
Okay, so we're gonna look for page number 6. So we're gonna say page 6. Oh, you gotta take a picture of it. Okay, good job. Number 6, page number 6. Look for number 6. On the bottom, where's number 6? This is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay. Okay, so take the evidence to the police station. So you're gonna start right here. And you're gonna go to the police station. Go! Alright, you brought the evidence to the police station. It says connect the dots. So you're gonna go in order. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, ready, go.
Here.
Good. Keep going to number 3. Okay, 3 to 4.
5.
Yes. Okay, go to 6. Go to 7. Keep the dots connected. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Now the next page, it says connect the prints. Okay. The cat make what kind of prints?
This.
Okay. The eagle makes what kind of print? The raccoon makes what kind of print? Raccoon. Raccoon. What does the print? Does a raccoon look like? Okay. How does your hand look? Okay, so where's your hand? Okay. That goes to the people. So bring your hand to the people. Okay. The wolf makes what kind of print?
This.
The wolf makes what kind of print?
This.
Okay. The raccoon makes what kind of print?
This.
Okay. Okay. Now let's go to the checklist. Checklist. Did we do our detective? So did we go to the officer? Did we go to the police officer? Yes, because we went to the police station. So put a check. Check. No, start right here. And down and go up. Okay. Do we have our camera? Do we take pictures? Okay, check. Down and go all the way up. Up, up, up. Up. Follow the shadow. You see the shadow? Up. Okay. Did we find the print on the glass? Yep. Check. Go all the way up, 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 up. Go all the way up. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Up right here. Keep going. Okay. And yep, okay. All the way up, 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 up. Go, 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 go. Okay, the last one. Connect the dots to see who did it. So who did the crime? So you're gonna the same thing. You're gonna start from 1, connect all the dots to 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And connect 10 to 1. Okay, so AJ, who did the crime?
He.
And what is that? What animal is that? A raccoon.
Yeah, raccoon.
The raccoon did it. All right, we did it. We did it. Yay.
I'm number 4.
AJ, we solved the mystery. All right. Give me some, AJ. We solved the mystery. We did it. We did it. We did it. Yay. All right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And also, our giveaway. We would love to see you in our contest. Bye.
Over.